The benefits of using artificial intelligence-powered drones in traffic management are numerous. By providing real-time feedback to drivers, we can reduce traffic congestions, improve drivers' behaviors and safety. The data collected by the drones can also be used to improve traffic management strategies and infrastructure planning. Hello everyone, welcome to FAMEWORLD Educational Hub. I am Ashura Saxena, and in this video we are going to talk about using AI-powered drones to create a safer and more efficient traffic system. As cities around the world continue to grow and expand, traffic congestions and driver safety have become major issues. While GPS navigation systems have helped to reduce travel time and congestions, they are limited to their ability to provide real-time traffic information. The use of AI-powered drones to monitor traffic and provide real-time feedback to drivers is a unique and innovative idea that has the potential to transform the way we manage traffic systems. The concept of using drones equipped with cameras and sensors to monitor traffic flows and identify areas of potential accidents is not new. However, the integration of AI technologies takes this idea to the next level. The data collected by the drones can be analyzed by AI algorithms to provide real-time feedback to drivers, such as suggested alternate routes or information about road closures or accidents. The benefits of using AI-powered drones in traffic management are numerous. By providing real-time feedback to drivers, we can reduce traffic congestion, improve driver behavior and safety, and reduce the risk of accidents caused by drivers' error or aggressive driving behavior. The data collected by drones can also be used to improve traffic management strategies and infrastructure planning. While the idea of using AI-powered drones to monitor traffic is still relatively new, it has already been tested in some cities, such as Dubai, with promising results. The technology is constantly evolving, and we can expect to see more innovative applications of AI in traffic management in the future. However, some may have concern about the use of AI technology in traffic management, such as the potential for privacy violations or the displacement of human workers. To address these concerns, we must ensure that AI technology is used responsibly and ethically, with a focus on improving the lives of people and creating a more efficient and sustainable society. In conclusion, the use of AI-powered drones to monitor traffic and improve traffic flow and driver safety is a unique and innovative idea that has the potential to transform the way we manage traffic systems. By incorporating AI technology into traffic systems, we can create a more efficient and effective system that provides real-time feedback to drivers, reduce congestions, and improve driver behaviors and safety. With responsible and ethical use, AI technology can create a safer and more sustainable future for all of us. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you have any queries, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe FAMEWORLD Educational Hub and also press the notification bell, because after that you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. Thanks for watching, stay tuned and see you in the next video.